think all creation happens from where? I think when you look at any storyteller, even somebody's writing a book or making a painting or doing a play, writing a play or making a film, all creation comes from what you've seen, experienced and believed in life. So, as I said, I grew up in a small town, so my stories are about people I've seen, things that have happened to me. So those are a story is a reflection of the times and the person actually. So a lot of stories from my films are actually incidents which have happened in my life. Locations play a tremendously important role, but that's what cinema is. Cinema is all about great visuals, and great visuals not means that every image should be great. It has to support the story. So story and locations have to go absolutely hand in hand, and without that actually cinema will not be there. So one has to spend a lot of time actually finding the correct locations. It's a travel from Delhi. They start from Delhi, they go to Shimla, they always thought. So we had to create a road journey when we were scripting. So we created a road journey from Delhi to Ladakh. So we thought Shimla should be the place where Rancho has come from. So now once we had Shimla, then we had to, obviously also there are sometimes logistics issues that you try and find a location close to each other. And Rancho, which is eventually Javed Jafri in the film, that bit, he comes from a rich family. So we were looking for something which would show that grandeur. And Chail Palace looked like one of those locations, which from outside also is grand, inside all those rooms are grand. And the best part actually of shooting there for us was that we were staying in the hotel. So I would literally get up from my bed, open my door and walk into the set. So that was wonderful. All of us were staying and those rooms were massive. Those, if you see those, and they took, the history is that even apparently Nehru has stayed there. In that era, all the all our great politicians have stayed there. Hi, if you're a traveler and like to travel, do watch Jeep Presents Bollywood Trails.
In fact, if you ask me, I've seen more India through my films. Like with Tanu It's Manu, Lucknow was my first visit to that place, or to Banaras with Ranjana. So I've been fortunate that my films are making me a traveler. I have taken those locations because they are the people who are born and brought up in Banaras. Na? They never go to and never shot it like a tourist. कि यार घाट, मेरे घाट पे एक भी सीन नहीं है, strangely. मैं काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर के अंदर कोई मेरा सीन नहीं है. So I saw to it that I shoot like हम बॉम्बे में रहते हुए कहाँ जाते हैं गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया. So it's like for me I wanted to keep it so real that कि वही locations जो एक आम बनारस में रहने वाला जहाँ से गुजरेगा मैं वहाँ शूट करूँगा. This is what I was telling you, that this is how I saw Kundan, and this is his way of expressing his pain and anger. Yeah, that was one of the most difficult scenes for me because it had to do with lot of, you know, and मैं बहुत कम जिद करता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में कि मुझे यही चाहिए. मुझे हमेशा लगता है कहानी सुनाने के बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं, and to conceive a scene, you can conceive a scene in a different way also. But this particular scene I wanted him to go into Ganga Ji at that moment. That the only thing that can calm him right now is that river Ganga, and he had to go inside that with the scooter there. Watch me on Jeep Presents Bollywood Trails.
I decided to become a filmmaker only once I realized that I cannot make a career in sports purely because of lack of talent. But then I said now is the time to really jump into the movies, but really train myself. So I think that's where the dream began. But it was always something which I've grown up loving, and something which has been a part of my house. I think when I saw Sairat, I was very sure I wanted to make this film again. I wanted to adapt this film. It was a story which I really felt deeply about. It was not just a story which I said, it's a अच्छी कहानी है मुझे फिर से बनानी है. That was not the idea. I am a Rajasthani. I have traveled a lot to Rajasthan, multiple places in Rajasthan from an early age. I kind of realized that the conflict of Sairat, the conflict of the caste, class, the conflict of honor killings is something which plagues a lot of parts of India. And I think just the idea of this young love story called Dhadak, it gave me the opportunity to explore Udaipur. हमारे small town India में आज भी एक patriarchal society है. हम फिर भी थोड़ा डरते हैं अपने घर वालों से. हम love stories और मोहब्बत की बातें करने में डरते हैं. और स्पेशली अगर उसमें क्लास एंगल या कास्ट एंगल हो तो हम ज़्यादा डरते हैं. इस केस में एक राजपूत और राजस्थानी फैमिली का डिफरेंस था. जो लोग इन सब क्लासेस और सब टेक्स्ट को ज़्यादा समझते हैं उनको रियलाइज़ होगा कि आज भी ऐसी जो यूनियंस हैं उसे अच्छी तरह नहीं देखा जाता या ये यूनियंस एक ऑपोजिशन फेस कर सकती हैं. तो धड़क जो गाना था, जो इनहेरेंटली एक लव स्टोरी है, जो धड़क का टाइटल ट्रैक था, उसमें जस्ट टू सी द टू ऑफ देम थ्राइविंग इन द सिटी ऑफ उदयपुर, वो ऑल अक्रॉस, वो इनफैक्ट हर लोकेशन में जाते हैं, साथ में घूमते हैं. और वहाँ पर एक बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट है फिल्म में, रात के सीन में, अगेंस्ट द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ द एंटायर कासल, वो लोग बोट में दोनों जन साथ में बैठे हैं, अंधेरा है, एंड यू कैन जस्ट सी द एंटायर सिटी कम अलोंग अलाइव विद लाइट्स. और उसके बीच में, दोनों के बीच में एक रोमांटिक मोमेंट है जहाँ पर वो सिर्फ एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं. आई थिंक वो जब मैंने मोमेंट देखा और जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, वी रियलाइज कि इससे अच्छा बैकड्रॉप नहीं हो सकता था इस फिल्म के लिए, बिकॉज एम्बियंस जो उनके पीछे था वो इंटिमिडेटिंग था. इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट गिविंग यू द स्प्लेंडर ऑफ कि जो राजस्थान के जो लोकेशंस होते हैं, जो उदयपुर की ये पैलेसेस होते हैं, ये कितने ग्रैंड हैं, और येट उसके सामने ये दो बच्चे हैं जिनकी एक लव स्टोरी ब्लूम और ब्लॉसम हो रही है. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज वन मोमेंट which kind of defined Dhadak for me. Hi, my name is Shashank Khaitan and please watch me on G Presents Bollywood Trails.